Looney Farm Guy here. This is Repair Workshop Auto Parts by Ian on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro, and this is an interesting little workshop. All inclusive, all makes and models, all service, everything. Okay. So where do we find it? It's under Tools. So same place you find the weigh station and so forth. So nothing really unusual here. This does generate income, which we will test. It says $125,640 per month. I'm on easy economy right here, and we're going to run that to see what that does. However, we do have a few other options here. And if you can see here, we have a Massey Ferguson logo on the side. So, color options. We have all the colors plus some custom colors. So let's make that, let's just go white. All right, makes it kind of look gray. And then we have brands, Massey Ferguson, Stara, Volvo, Valtra, so far so good. Kloss, okay. JCB, nice. Lizard, Case IH, yep. Fendt, cool. Ford, oh dear, did that slip through? Interesting. Yes, so I wonder how long this is going to last. John Deere, and then back to Massey Ferguson. Sue, get it while it's Ford hot. All right. So what else do you get with this? So let's start over here. We have a little hanger emblem thing here. That's a wardrobe. Yeah, look at that. So we have a wardrobe trigger. We come over here. We have a sleep trigger. You can't go inside, but you can sleep. So it's got a sleep trigger, a wardrobe trigger. We have a vehicle here. It's looking for some service. What can we do? We can repaint, repair, customize, sell, or back. Nice. Everything. So it's a dealer. And we also have a refueling station. This doesn't need refueling. Let's go over here. This needs some fuel. Guess I have to go around the other way. There we go. $4. So it does charge us for fuel, probably the standard base game rate I would expect. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our finances here. Alright, so at the current save right now, I am generating $11,520 per month income at the current map settings, which is basically what's I have on the map. So I'm going to go ahead about 2 or 3 months and see what how that changes. So December is where we are starting. All right, we're back. I ran it like 4 months, as you can see here. We're not making any money. As a matter of fact, it's costing us $5,000 per month. Daily upkeep, $5,000. It is not generating any more cash than I was before, which is concerning. So this is a very pricey property for you. $5,000 a month. So hopefully it sees either the upkeep per month go down or actually get some income, because I'm not seeing any income. I don't see any. This is the only building. Yeah, some nice decorations around it. It looks cool. It's got lots of features. Just be prepared to pay $5,000 a month for it to be on your property. And there it is, Repair Workshop Auto Parts. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.